Jesus Christ.
I didn't see that coming.
Awe! Awe! Ah! Ewe! Ah!
I felt that from my waist.
I got something for that. Relax the head. We're on the same team. Relax. This shoulder down.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't see that coming.
Was it painful? Not surprising.
Yeah, I think that's the word. Not really painful, but
See your life. You don't have to crack your neck.
okay. Okay, I'm not even supposed to do that again.
You always crack your neck, and then now you're shouting.
So I shouldn't be doing that, right?
No, sir.
Okay. I think it feels better now. Ay, man.
You okay? Lie on your side, face me this one. Relax.
Oh my god.
Please go that way.
I actually feel like sleepy now.
Just hand to this one. Oh, but you need to rest. Down some more.
Awe!
Jeez.
We're not done.
Yeah?
Not done yet. Relax.
Awe!
One more. You gotta come up.
Goodness.
Let's keep the head down. You won't run.
I'm not sure what you want to do.
Allow me now. You have trust issues. Leave your head down now.
Okay.
I won't come out and make I do them correctly. You ready?
Oh. Oh, wait.
Bring the head up. And down.
Hey.
Bring the head to your chest.
Anyway. Ah.
I felt that on my waist.
Your legs.
How did you do that from my neck?
And you felt it in the waist.
Yeah.
That's how you know everything is connected.
Anyway.
So what else it would mean for the people that don't know?
No, I don't know.
Oh God. You okay?
Yeah. Wait, something just happened.
Which one is something just happened?
Yeah, before. I couldn't do this. I couldn't do this before. Wait.
And you go pray finish.
I could do that, but
Mm.
like it used to be very
Painful.
Yeah.
It's easier now.
it's easier, a lot easier.
So all the airways, it was worth it.
Yeah.
You said yeah. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You'll rest for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come and get you this time.